Hey everyone, you tired of watching your grocery bill climb higher and higher every week here in the USA? It's 2026 and things aren't getting any cheaper. But what if I told you that you could have fresh, organic, and delicious food right at your fingertips, even if you live in a tiny apartment? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to start your very own mini kitchen farm no matter how small your space is. So, what exactly is mini kitchen farming? Think of it as your own personal grocery aisle, but right at home. It's not like traditional gardening that needs a huge yard. This is all about growing food in small, manageable spaces. It's perfect for apartments, balconies, small backyards, and even sunny rooftops. The goal is simple. Fresh food, zero hassle.
Oh.
Let's talk about the best vegetables to start with, especially for the US climate. You want plants that are easy to grow and give you a great harvest. Cherry tomatoes are a fantastic choice. They grow fast and are super productive. Bell peppers are another winner, adding color and crunch to any meal. For leafy greens, you can't go wrong with spinach and lettuce. They grow quickly, and you can harvest leaves as you need them. Green onions are practically foolproof. You can even regrow them from scraps you buy at the store. And don't forget herbs. Basil, mint, and cilantro are must-haves for adding amazing flavor to your dishes. Now, you don't need a lot of expensive gear to get started. We're keeping this low budget. Grow bags are my personal favorite. They're cheap, breathable, and great for root health. Simple 5-gallon buckets from a hardware store work wonders too. Just make sure you drill drainage holes. Of course, traditional pots are always an option. If you have a bit more space, like a small patio, a raised bed can be a game changer for growing multiple plants together. The most important thing is your soil. You'll need a good quality potting mix and some compost to feed your plants. Let's get our hands dirty and talk about the perfect soil mix. This is my go-to beginner-friendly formula. You'll want 1 part potting soil, 1 part compost, and 1 part cocoa peat or perlite. The potting soil provides the base. The compost adds all the amazing nutrients your plants need to thrive. And the cocoa peat or perlite helps with aeration and moisture retention. The most critical part of this equation is drainage. Your containers must have holes at the bottom. If water can't escape, your plant roots will rot, and that's a quick way to end your gardening journey. So always make sure there's a way for excess water to get out. Okay, let's talk about the 2 most important things for keeping your plants alive: sunlight and water. Most vegetables, like tomatoes and peppers, are sun lovers. They need at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. So, find the sunniest spot in your home or on your balcony. As for watering, the key is consistency.
And the best way to check is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. It's still moist. Wait another day.
A common mistake is overwatering, which can be just as bad as underwatering. Let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. Your plants will thank you for it. Pests can be a pain, but you don't need harsh chemicals to deal with them, keeping it organic and safe for you, your kids, and your pets. Neem oil is a gardener's best friend. Mix it with water and a little bit of mild soap, and spray it on your plants to keep bugs away. A simple soap spray made with dish soap and water can also handle pests like aphids. These DIY solutions are effective and give you peace of mind knowing that what you re-eating is completely natural. It's all about working with nature, not against it. This is the best part: harvesting. It's nothing more satisfying than picking food you grew yourself. For things like lettuce and herbs, you can use the cut and come again method. Just snip off the outer leaves, and the plant will keep producing new ones from the center. This means you can have a continuous supply for weeks. For tomatoes and peppers, wait until they reach their full, vibrant color before picking. And the best part? Taking that fresh produce straight from your mini farm to your kitchen table. Imagine making a salad with lettuce you picked just moments before. The flavor is unbeatable. Beyond the delicious food, the benefits of kitchen farming are huge. You will absolutely save money on groceries. Think about how much you spend on fresh herbs or organic tomatoes each week. Growing your own slashes that cost. It's also an incredible stress reliever. Tending to your plants, watching them grow, it's a form of therapy. Encourages healthy eating habits for the whole family and connects you to where your food comes from. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, and it feels amazing. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own mini garden. My biggest piece of advice is to start small. Don't try to grow everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 plants you love to eat and focus on them. You can always expand later. The most important thing is to just begin. The journey of growing your own food is so rewarding. What are you planning to grow first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see photos and hear about your garden journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.